Chapter 2 Working with Table in Word. Let's know about table, inserting text in a table, inserting rows and columns, adjusting the rows and columns size, resizing a table, inserting a table, selecting cells in a table, deleting rows and columns, moving a table, aligning text in the cells. Word is an application software developed by Microsoft Corporation. It is popularly known as a word processor software that is dependent on the system software operating system. It is widely used for writing letters, documents for business purposes, publishing, school projects, etc. Table. A table is made up of horizontal rows and vertical columns. You can enter any type of information in the form of text or graphics in a cell. Cells. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Serial number. Name. Class. 101. Kanchan Sharma, 6th. Row 2. Row 1. 102. Astha Agarwal, class 6. Row 3. Sometimes you need to present the information in a tabular manner, that is, in the form of rows and columns. There are many advantages of using tables. They are: it is an effective way of arranging text. You can catalog information on a specific topic. Data arranged this way looks more meaningful, neat and organized. Large amount of information can be presented in a concise manner. Inserting a table. Word provides a feature to insert a table in the document. The table is inserted in the document where the cursor is. So it is necessary to set the position of the cursor before inserting a table. To insert a table, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Place the cursor within the document where you want to insert a table. Step 2. Click Insert tab, which is available on ribbon. Step 3. Select table and then insert table from the drop-down list. Step 4. Enter the number of columns and rows in the Insert Table window. Step 5. Finally, click OK. Thus, a blank table is inserted at the desired place in the document. You can also add style to the table by following these steps. Step 1. Click on the table. Step 2. Click Table Design tab and different table styles appear in the ribbon area. Step 3. Select the style. The table will change to the selected style. Inserting text in a table. The text can be inserted in a table with the help of the keyboard. To insert text in a table, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Click on the cell where you want to enter the text. Then type the text. Step 2. Repeat step 1 until you finish entering all the text for the table. Selecting cells in a table. You can select cells, rows and columns in a table to perform editing tasks and apply formatting to all the selected areas of the table. To select a range of cells, click and drag the mouse over the cells that you want to select. Release the mouse button to select cells. To select a single cell, you can triple-click the cell to select everything in it. No more. To unselect the cell, click outside the selected cell. To select an entire row, take your mouse near the border of the row and click on it. The entire row will be selected. To select an entire column, take your mouse near the border of the column and click on it. The entire column will be selected. Inserting rows and columns. The extra rows and columns can also be inserted in between the table to add additional information. Inserting rows. If you need to add a row to the existing table, perform the following steps. Step 1. Click in the row where you want to add another row. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. You can click Insert above or Insert below to add a new row. Inserting columns. If you need to add a column to the existing table, perform the following steps. Step 1. Click in the column where you want to add another column. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. You can click Insert Left or Insert Right to add a new column. Deleting rows and columns. The extra rows and columns can also be deleted if no longer required. Deleting a row. To delete a row in a table, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Select the row you want to delete by placing the mouse pointer to the left of it and click. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on Delete. Step 4. Click on Delete Rows. No more. If you select the text in a table and press the Delete key from the keyboard, only the text gets deleted but rows and columns are still there. Deleting a column. To delete a column in a table, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Select the column you want to delete by placing the mouse pointer on the top of it and click. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on Delete. Step 4. Click on Delete Columns. Adjusting the rows and columns size. To change the row height, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Click in any cell of the row whose height you want to change. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Specify the required row height in the height box. No more. When you type beyond the width of a column, the height of the corresponding row automatically increases to fit the text. Similarly, you can specify a new column width in the width box to change the column width of a column or of all the columns of the entire table. Moving a table. A table can be moved anywhere within the document. The steps to move a table are: Step 1. Place the mouse pointer over upper left corner of the table you want to move. A handle appears. Step 2. Place the mouse over the handle. The mouse pointer will change to. Step 3. Drag the table to a new location. The table appears in the new location. Resizing a table. The size of a table can be changed to adjust the space within the document. The steps to resize a table are: Step 1. Place the mouse pointer over the table you want to resize. A handle appears. Step 2. Place the mouse pointer over the handle. The mouse pointer will change to. Step 3. Drag the handle until the table is of the size you want. Aligning text in the cells. You can enhance the appearance of your table by changing the position of the text in the cells. Word's table alignment options include the basic left, right, center, and justify alignments as well as vertical alignments such as bottom, center, or top right. By default, Word aligns your table text to the left inside each cell. To align the text in a table, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Select the cells that you want to format. Step 2. Click on the Home tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Select an alignment from the paragraph group. No more. Shortcut keys for aligning text. Align left, Ctrl+L. Align center, Ctrl+E. Align right, Ctrl+R. Justify, Ctrl+J. No more. Press Ctrl+P to print the document with the default setting. Quick review. Word is an application software developed by Microsoft Corporation. Data arranged in a table looks more meaningful, neat, and organized. The text can be inserted in a table with the help of the keyboard. The extra rows and columns can also be deleted if no longer required. The size of a table can be changed to adjust the space within the document. By default, Word aligns your table text to the left inside each cell.